Hello everyone. Okay, so second part of resources and development geography chapter. Okay, yes, resource planning. We have to plan our resources because what happens, like in different states are having different resources. Suppose some resources are available in Rajasthan but they are not present in MP. Some resources are available in MP but they are not present in Rajasthan. So that we have to find it out, the resource planning in a better way. Okay, which are the points for resource planning? Just here in India, the resource plan can be done. First, identification and inventory of resources. We have to identify and we have to make a stock of that. Then second point, evolving a planning structure, how we are going to utilize that. And the third one is matching the resources development plans with the overall national development plan, how much we have planned to utilize it, and what how much resources required for the development of nation. Okay, so this is basically resource planning. And the next topic it will come in this, that is land resource. We'll talk about the land resource. So land resource, if we talk about the different utilization of land, we have a different types of land, or we can talk about the forest is also available. Land not available for cultivation, like barren or wasteland. Barren means a banjar one, that you cannot grow anything on the barren land. Okay, land put to non-agriculture purpose, like the land where you are using roads, buildings, factories and all this. The other uncultivated land, permanent pastures, grazing lands and all this. Clear? Fallow land means different, we can say like different plates are there for the land. Net sown area or gross cropped area. Net sown area what is that? Net sown area and gross cropped area. Net sown area means what is exactly is there. For example, you have a land of 2 hectare. You have a 2 hectare land. In 2 hectare land, you will grow your crops in 3 times. In different season, in different months, you are growing that crops in 3 times. Okay, so total gross cropped area is how much? 2. It means 6 hectare is the gross cropped area, and net sown area is only 2 hectare. So make a note on that. In examination, this type of questions definitely will come. You have to write a note on that. Okay, net sown area. Okay, next, land use pattern in India. We will talk how much land the people are using in different way. Okay, and the next is soil as a resource, how we are going to use that soil, different type of soil. Classification of soils, if we talk alluvial soil, black soil. Black soil is also known as regular soil. Okay, alluvial soil is some kind of a, just you can look in this picture. Okay, yes. And this khadar and bangar, sorry, khadar and bangar, it is the more fine particle and more fertile than the bangar. Okay, next your topic is related with okay, different red and yellow soil, arid soil, laterite soil. Just go through that, it's very easy. You can find it out in the pictures also. You will find different type of these soils. The main topic now came soil erosion, soil conservation. How the soil erosion, the in examination question will come on this particular. Soil erosion means the wash off of the surface soil of that particular land is known as soil erosion. And another question will come about this gullies. Here just go through that gullies. One word you can find it out. I have zoomed for you. This is gullies. What is gullies? Just the land become unfit for cultivation is known as bad land. Okay, in the Chambal basin, such lands are called ravines. The running waters, here gullies, you can see that the running water cuts through the clavely soils and makes deep channels as gullies. Okay, this is good. Here you can see the picture of that. I think it is, yes, gully. You can find out this is known as gully. Okay. So the next one, I think chapter is over. Okay, here all these questions you have to complete. You have to write in your notebook. If you don't know any answer, just call me, answer me. You can WhatsApp me for that. Okay, I'll give you the answers for that. I'll put the PDF also for that. I'll give you another PDF for notes also. You just go through that. This is the book PDF. I'll give you different one also. Okay, all these 2 questions also you will complete in this. Question number 1, question number 1, 2 and 3. Clear? Okay, have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.